Are you looking for a tool to build a sales funnel for affiliate marketing? Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the number one tool that I use personally and why I use it to build a sales funnel. What's my affiliate marketing progress? What's my affiliate marketing formula? How do we actually get started in this whole journey online? I'm sure that you're curious. That's why you're watching this video. So I'm going to hop on my screen and share with you the rest of this video. Hey guys, so I'm back on my laptop and I wanted to share with you my group first and foremost, because this video we're going to be talking about why I use a specific tool instead of another one in order for me to actually build a sales funnel. How do I actually go about building a sales funnel and to generate leads and sales for my business? You guys are here for affiliate marketing, so I want to focus on affiliate marketing. In fact, this channel is all about tips that can help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. So that means skill sets that you can implement in order for you to start to generate an income online. That's personally what I'm doing. We're in a world where definitely looking for a side hustle is important. Even if you do have a day job like myself, I do have a 9 to 5, guys, but I am working online to help me generate more sales and income because of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is one thing that I personally chosen, but I do share a lot of other skill sets that are there in this journey of making money online. I wanted to share with you my group, my Facebook group, because in this group, if you want to follow along in the same exact process that I've been doing, the same exact journey, I have the guide section right here, which goes through the entire whole process of affiliate marketing as one-on-one. The basics, basically, what exactly is the traffic plan, what affiliate marketing products I own, what is my daily method of operations. Everything is here within the guide section, and you can follow along if you want to. If not, that's fine, absolutely fine. It's up to you. I'm sharing with you and documenting on this channel this entire process. Now, I've been doing it for some time, but I started from scratch, let's say this March, just so that I can document this journey and share with you, throughout the years, what I've learned and how I'm implementing it if I was starting from scratch all over again. And that's what basically I'm doing. If you do like this content, you want to see more, there's a link in the description, which basically will take you to this group, and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for every future video that I do post. I post 3 times a week, guys. So it's consistent content that you're getting on this channel, which I'm sure that it will be useful for you. And as you comment and share with me also what you want to learn, I'm definitely going to be making more content. So let's go ahead and share with you my entire affiliate marketing formula in the first place. So when I got started, I wanted to have a specific plan in place because I don't have time to, make TikTok videos and free marketing, because there are 2 basic skill sets that are needed with affiliate marketing. One is the traffic generation, which is where a lot of people focus on, where, you see those videos are saying, make $10,000 online with affiliate marketing, make $5,000 online with affiliate marketing. Overnight, this is what I made with affiliate marketing. All of these videos, which I believe are very clickbaity and also hyped. I wanted to show you a real method of where somebody like me does not have too much time after their day job and wants to spend a limited amount of time, because I focus on my health, I focus on other things that are important to me in my day-to-day, but I still wanted to have this journey in place and a process that I could just plug in, and over time it does convert. Now, obviously, I cannot guarantee any sales, I cannot guarantee any income, but I do want to mention that if you do follow this strategy, you are going to be learning. And this is the most important thing for me, that you're learning in this process. So this is my entire setup for now. It's phase 1, as I call it, into 2 steps, where I needed to find a traffic source so that I don't create free content always. And that's not my focus. So if I was just focusing on this YouTube channel, for example, I would need, in my opinion, at least 6 months to a year of just consistently putting out content, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Facebook, whether it is on Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest or wherever. I would need constant time and effort to spend on that to build bulk products, let's say, or bulk videos, and then post those regularly for me to get the results. Instead, what I'm doing right now is I'm still using the free methods, but I'm documenting on the free methods, and I'm using paid methods to actually get me those results. It's just speeding up the process because I don't have that much time to always create content, and I'm not, let's say, limiting myself to say free. Obviously, if you don't have the budget, go for the free methods. It's very important that you are building an email list with affiliate marketing. So you're generating traffic to an email list, and you can see this right here. This is the pure affiliate marketing, let's say, formula. You're sending traffic to a landing page, which is basically collecting an email list. And let me show you mine so that you get an idea. This is mine. I collect an email address with this. And from this, it goes to the thank you page, which basically gives a training. And then you can get the offer and the full course right here. That's exactly what my whole entire process is. So once that happens, then they buy the product, and that's how you make a sale. And at the same time, you're collecting an email address. This is the sales funnel, guys. Collecting the email address, and in that email address, you can share about your tools, your journey. You're building a relationship with the people who are on your list. So it can be, you can share videos that you have. So it's a very good asset to be building with affiliate marketing. But how do you generate traffic there? There's free methods and paid methods. So step one for me is I use a paid method called My Legion Secrets. If you want to know more about that, I post a video every single Monday on My Legion Secrets. So you can subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and you'll get videos every single Monday about My Legion Secrets. You can check that out. And if you want to use it, you can use it. If not, you can just follow along. That's absolutely fine as well. But My Legion Secrets, basically, I sent an offer. I do not send it to a landing page specifically because of the reasons that I've shared in those videos. And I generate a sale. Once I generate a sale, I use that money to buy traffic. So I use paid traffic like Bing ads, Google ads. I use solo ads, paid traffic to a landing page, collecting an email address, and so on and so forth. And now obviously you will ask, but David, where do you send that traffic to? How do you actually build it? So there are many tools out there that you can use. There's something called Power Lead Systems. There's Clickfunnels. There's systeme.io. There is Akatra. There are so many platforms out there that you can use as lead pages to build this entire process and this entire setup. Usually the cost for this is quite drastic for a new person who's just getting started, because you do spend quite a bit of money with these tools. Now let me give you an example with ClickFunnels, which is an amazing marketing system, by the way, guys. It is an amazing tool. It's amazing software to have. There is a free trial, which is just a 14-day free trial. And then from that 14-day free trial, let me show you, the pricing goes to, if this is monthly, goes to $147 per month. So you'll have a free trial for 14 days, if I'm not mistaken. And then you're paying $147 per month just for ClickFunnels, right? So you can build this whole process, but it can be a little bulky on the pocket if you're spending $147 per month. That's just how I see it. Instead, what I'm personally using to create this whole process, as I mentioned, to create the landing page, then goes to, as you saw, the thank you page or the bridge page, whatever you want to call it, which then allows you to make those sales. So that's the whole process that I'm doing. But the main aim for this is for me to build something that I can collect an email address. So if you're using free methods like TikTok, like Facebook, like Instagram, you're sending them to a link. That link, and I'm just going to give you an example. If I go to Linktree, or let me just go to my Facebook. I'll show you right here so that you guys can see. So if I go to my profile, in my profile, you'll see that there's a link tree here, right here. And this link tree has everything. It has my YouTube channel, has, if you click here, it takes you to the same page, right? So usually on Instagrams and TikTok and something like that, people usually have link trees or these kind of links that will have multiple offers for you. But one of them is helping you build that email list. So you can generate free traffic to this kind of a page. And then when people sign up or give you the email address, that's how you're collecting with the free methods. The paid methods, you're sending people directly to this link. It is sometimes more harder to convert. It is still possible to collect the whole email address. Now, when you're building a sales process, when you're building a sales funnel, if you're spending already $147 per month, and that's just the business cost that you're gonna keep for yourself, right? Just know that per year, it's going to cost you quite a bit to have $147 per month. It can be pricey. That's all I'm going to say. It can be pricey. And these are good tools. Don't get me wrong. These are really good tools, but it is pricey for somebody who's just getting started. So what I did personally, I said, I wanted to show the most easiest and simplest method and tool, which I can find out there, which will help you build this for the least amount of cost. And guess what, guys? I found systeme.io, which I was doing a lot of research on. I'm really happy with it. I can show you guys the constant development that's happening there as well with systeme.io. I was super happy when I found it because it has everything that you need, not only for your initial journey, but in the future, if you want to have courses, if you want to, help your community that you're building online and you're spending so much time, it's leveraging a tool like this, the system like this, to shorten your time frame because you have an automation in place. So if you have a day job and you have an automation in place, things are going to be different, right? You're making money while you sleep by allowing the automation or the process or the sales process to take care of the people who are going through it, with the emails that is being sent, and with the sales process in itself. So this is what you can use as a tool. I loved it for course creators, for freelancers, for consultants, for small business owners. This can be used for everything. They're updating this page constantly. I love the fact that it is basically, they also have an affiliate program, which means that you can use this tool, and as more people use it with you, you can generate a residual income or recurring income every single month. So this can become a passive income for you just using this tool. But you might ask, David, how much does this cost? So let me share with you how much does it cost. It actually is free to get started, guys. Yes, it is free to get started. And if you do go for the unlimited plan, it costs you $97 a month. So my whole idea, or my whole way of sharing this with you, is that this tool is something that I personally used to create these pages. And you can see they're professional pages. They're in par with all the tools or softwares out there that you can use to build the sales process, and it does convert. So these are the two things that I wanted to share with you. Specifically, that systeme.io is why I personally use it, but first and foremost, that it is free. So I'm not saying anything bad about ClickFunnels, guys. I'm just saying there are criterias for you. And if you don't have a consistent income coming in every single month with affiliate marketing, then why not use something like this? Go to ClickFunnels only when you need to go to ClickFunnels, and you're getting the funnel to, you're launching a new funnel, let's say, and you want the funnel, the sales process, to be $1 million funnel, for example. Use an advanced tool like this, because that's going to get you the best conversions. Don't get me wrong. It is going to get you good conversions. The systeme.io can get you the same amount of conversions or even better with the less cost. That's all I'm saying. Just be cost aware. So I started for free. You can get started with the startup, webinar. It's up to you. There are different features for all of them. But this is the tool that personally I'm using to build a sales funnel online. And how easy it is, let me just sign up and show you. I personally have 172 contacts at the time of when I'm shooting this video. Just to show you, I do have paid traffic running through. So I do get leads that come through, and then I get consistent leads also with my free traffic that's there. But I'm focusing on paid traffic, as I told you. And with this, I have first and foremost this funnel that I mentioned, which is basically a landing page, a thank you page. And then I have an extra page that's there, which I share only in my emails to people, which is my traffic sources that I'm using, my paid traffic sources, my low income paid traffic sources. So they are not, you don't feel it on your pocket so much on the expenditure. But those are the three things that I have right there. And you can get access to all of these three things, by the way, if you do want. It's pretty easy to share this entire funnel with you. So for example, if I do want to share this, all I need to do is click here and click share. You get this unique link, and you can import this entire link, this entire funnel, into your own systeme.io. So it's, consider getting it for free. And then you can get a free funnel as well. If you reach out to me, just comment below and I'll let you know. I'll share the link with you. That's fine. And the second thing, as I mentioned, so I have a page which I can get consistent leads. Where I'm using free traffic or paid traffic, I'm getting somebody to that page, and I'm getting an email address, which is what I need as an affiliate marketer. And then I created also a campaign, which has right now 35 emails. I'm going to be increasing actually the amount of emails, because I'm changing the whole setup for the emails. But for now, I'm just letting it be. And because I have 35 emails, which is more than enough, more than a month of emails. And as people go through my campaign, they have multiple offers that they can purchase, the tools that they can purchase, and so on and so forth. And I will start to generate more sales as more people go through this funnel. The whole point over here is you focus on building your email list, you're going to see some traction with affiliate marketing. If you're not focused on building your email list, well, get focused on building your email list, to be honest. That is what you need to do. TikTok is going to come and go. Facebook is going to come and go. YouTube can block you. These are all places that you can just lose your audience, but having an email list is a criteria which I think every single affiliate marketer needs to have, and is still the best source for you to generate and convert your emails into sales every single month, because you get access to such a large community, and you can build your community online quite easily with an email list. So this is the two things that are important. They do have automations and different other features, but as I mentioned, to start off, the freemium plan is really quite good. And then if you want, you can get startup or upgrade to the webinar or unlimited plan. But $97 is still less than what you would pay for with the basic plan in ClickFunnels. So price wise, this is one of the reasons. Feature wise, I think that systeme.io is in par in terms of building a sales funnel. In terms of the other features, maybe it's not the best blog platform, for example, maybe it's not the best email platform, for example, but the sales funnel in itself is the similar software as Clickfunnels. It's got a very powerful system. You can do whatever edits you need. It has quite a lot of features that are important for you in your journey. So don't complicate it, simplify it. And that's what I'm using systeme.io to simplify it. And I was using ClickFunnels, guys. I was using ClickFunnels. This video today was just to share a little bit of my insights of why I'm using this tool, because a lot of people have been asking me, David, why did you switch? What's going on? And this is the reason why that I actually switched to creating a simple, so you can see a very, very simple sales process, which is traffic, eyeballs, going to a landing page, to a bridge page, and then to the offer that I own. That's it. Once I make a sale, I put 80% of that back into traffic so that I get more money, get more emails coming in. And then the emails do the rest of the follow-up for me. My aim is to build a strong email list. And this tool, which is systeme.io, helps me build this email list. If you need any more information about systeme.io, guys, I'm going to leave a playlist in the description of this video. You can click on that and you can check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know. I love answering questions on my channel. I'm here to help you guys. And it's really good to be active on my YouTube channel because I'm posting in the community tab. I'm making YouTube shorts. I'm making these long-term videos. So you have all the access to me as possible. I'm spending a lot of time on YouTube. So if you need any help, feel free to ask me. And additionally, on a personal one-on-one basis, you will get access to my my Facebook group in the description. Please answer the questions. Once you do answer the questions, I will let you in and you can follow along with the guides and in this whole entire process that I have right here. So in the next video, guys, I'm going to start to document my journey on getting to $1,000 a month online, literally. Okay, right now I'm at $100 per month, at least online. I'm going to be documenting my journey to how I'm getting to $1,000 per month. And you guys can follow along if you want to follow along. If not, that's absolutely fine. But I'm going to be documenting and sharing that journey with you guys on this channel. So have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. And always stay true to yourself, stay focused, and be happy.